If you're experiencing high ping in Apex Legends, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds, as well as your ping to various servers. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or any other programs that could be consuming your internet resources. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections tend to provide more stability and low latency compared to wireless connections. Step 4. Change server region. In Apex Legends, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce ping times. Go to the game settings and select a server that has a lower ping. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. This can include enabling Quality of Service (QoS) to prioritize gaming traffic, updating your router firmware, or changing your DNS settings to a faster DNS provider. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping in Apex Legends and enhance your overall gaming experience. Happy gaming!